Hey there, fellow photography enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of mirrorless cameras as we unveil the top 5 contenders that are redefining photography. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, we've got something for everyone. From stunning image quality to cutting-edge features, these mirrorless marvels are here to up your photography game. So, don't blink, because you won't want to miss our in-depth reviews and expert recommendations. Let's get started. First, I've got something truly exciting to share with you: the Sony A7 IV mirrorless camera. First off, let's talk about versatility. The A7 IV boasts a 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor, delivering breathtaking image quality. Whether you're into photography or videography, the camera's wide dynamic range and impressive low-light capabilities ensure your shots are sharp, vibrant, and full of detail. Now, what sets this camera apart is its intuitive usability. Sony has refined the ergonomics, giving you easy access to key controls without overwhelming you. The autofocus system? It's lightning fast and accurate, thanks to the 693 phase detection and 425 contrast detection points. Say goodbye to missed shots. But it doesn't stop there. With 4K video recording up to 60 FPS and S-Log3 support, filmmakers will appreciate the dynamic range and flexibility this camera brings to their projects. And for all you content creators, the fully articulating touchscreen makes vlogging a breeze. Connectivity? Nailed it! Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth let you transfer images seamlessly to your devices or control the camera remotely. Plus, the USB-C port ensures faster data transfer and charging on the go. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, fast-paced action, or intimate portraits, the A7 IV adapts to your vision. Its robust build ensures durability, and weather sealing means you can chase your shots without worries. To sum it up, the Sony A7 IV is a game-changer. With its remarkable sensor, user-friendly interface, and impressive video capabilities, it's a tool that empowers your creativity. So, if you're ready to take your photography and videography to the next level, the A7 IV might just be your perfect match. Next up is the Canon EOS R7 mirrorless camera. Let's dive in. The EOS R7 packs a powerful punch with its 32.5 megapixel APS-C sensor. This means your shots are not only incredibly detailed but also benefit from Canon's legendary color science, producing vibrant and true-to-life colors that pop. Now, here's where it gets exciting. The dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system covers a whopping 100% of the frame, resulting in lightning-fast and precise autofocus, even in challenging conditions. Whether you're shooting fast-moving subjects or capturing that perfect portrait, the R7 has your back. Sports and action enthusiasts, listen up. The EOS R7 can fire off shots at an impressive 20 frames per second with the electronic shutter and 12 frames per second with the mechanical shutter. Say goodbye to missed moments. And here's the cherry on top: 4K video at up to 60 FPS. The EOS R7 delivers stunning video quality with dual-pixel autofocus in video mode, ensuring your cinematic creations are as sharp as your photographs. Stay connected with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing for seamless image transfer and remote control through the Canon Camera Connect app. Plus, the fully articulating touchscreen gives vloggers and content creators the freedom they crave. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or a content creator on the go, the Canon EOS R7 delivers exceptional performance in a compact and stylish package. To sum it all up, the Canon EOS R7 is a versatile powerhouse. Its impressive sensor, advanced autofocus, and stunning video capabilities make it a top contender in the mirrorless world. Next, I've got something exciting to share: the Nikon Z6 II mirrorless camera. Let's jump right in. The Z6 II features a 24.5 megapixel full-frame sensor that's ready to capture every detail of your vision. Whether you're into photography or videography, this camera's excellent low-light performance and impressive dynamic range deliver outstanding results. Speaking of results, the Z6 II's advanced autofocus system with 273 on-sensor phase detection points is a game-changer. You'll experience fast, accurate, and reliable focus, even in challenging situations. Say goodbye to blurry shots. Action enthusiasts, listen up. The Z6 II boasts up to 14 frames per second continuous shooting. Capture every split-second moment with precision using this camera's burst mode. But wait, there's more. With 4K UHD video recording and full HD slow-motion capabilities, the Z6 II is your versatile partner for both photography and videography. The in-body 5-axis VR stabilization ensures your footage is smooth and steady, even when you're on the move. Stay connected on the go with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, making it a breeze to transfer images or remotely control your camera. Plus, the dual card slots offer that extra peace of mind during important shoots. Whether you're a seasoned pro or an enthusiastic beginner, the Nikon Z6 II adapts to your creative needs. Its rugged build and weather sealing ensure it's ready for any adventure. To sum it all up, the Nikon Z6 II is a reliable workhorse that fuels your creative fire. With its impressive sensor, fast autofocus, and dynamic video capabilities, it's a must-have for anyone serious about their craft. Next, I'm thrilled to introduce you to the Fujifilm X-S20 mirrorless camera. Let's dive right in. The X-S20 combines Fujifilm's signature style with an APS-C sensor, boasting 26.1 megapixels. Say hello to crisp, high-resolution images that showcase every detail of your vision. But it's not just about the sensor. The X-S20 embraces simplicity without sacrificing performance. Its user-friendly interface and tactile controls provide a seamless shooting experience, allowing you to focus on capturing the moment. The advanced autofocus system with phase detection covers a whopping 100% of the frame, ensuring your shots are tack-sharp, even in challenging lighting conditions. Say goodbye to missed opportunities. Calling all content creators. The X-S20 doesn't just excel in photography. With 4K video recording at up to 30 FPS and Fujifilm's legendary film simulation modes, your videos will have that unique cinematic flair. Stay connected effortlessly with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Transfer your creations wirelessly or use your smartphone as a remote control for the camera, perfect for those epic group shots. Whether you're strolling through the city streets or venturing into the great outdoors, the X-S20's compact size and robust build make it the ideal companion for your creative journey. To wrap it up, the Fujifilm X-S20 is a true gem for creators on the move. Its blend of image quality, intuitive controls, and versatile performance makes it an instant favorite. Finally, I'm excited to introduce you to the Panasonic Lumix S5 II, a mirrorless marvel that's ready to take your creativity to new heights. Let's dive right in. The Lumix S5 II boasts a 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor that's engineered to deliver exceptional detail and dynamic range. Whether you're capturing stills or diving into video projects, this camera's image quality will blow you away. But it's not just about the sensor. The S5 II takes innovation a step further with an array of cutting-edge features. Its lightning-fast autofocus system ensures your subjects are sharp and clear, whether you're shooting portraits, action, or landscapes. Filmmakers, listen up. The Lumix S5 II shines in the video department. With 4K video at up to 60 FPS and Vlog support, your cinematic visions will come to life with vibrant colors and stunning clarity. From its compact and lightweight design to its weather sealing, the S5 II is your reliable companion for every creative adventure, whether you're exploring the urban jungle or the great outdoors. In a nutshell, the Panasonic Lumix S5 II is a versatile powerhouse that empowers creators of all levels. With its exceptional sensor, rapid autofocus, and cinematic video capabilities, it's a tool that unleashes your full creative potential. And there you have it, folks. Our top 5 mirrorless camera picks that are sure to elevate your photography game. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful and share it with your fellow shutterbugs if you want to stay in the loop on all things photography. make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell. We've got more exciting camera reviews and photography tips coming your way. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep capturing those unforgettable moments. For more info on these mirrorless cameras, check out the description area below. Thanks.